Okay, I'm really excited. The whole reason why I filmed a look that has like green and green and green is because I received something in the mail that is green. Which I'm really excited about. I did not at all expect it. I applied for this about 3 or 4 months ago. I never heard anything back, so I thought like, it's just how it is. You didn't get in, you didn't get picked, deal with it. Until I received the email like 2 weeks ago. It says a DHL email confirmation for shipping, and I was like, did I spend money on something? I was kind of like, I was going through my bank statements trying to figure out what I did, what I was spending. Couldn't find anything. Fantastic. And then yesterday morning I received another email saying your package is out for delivery, and I was like, am I about to meet my spending? And then a little green box showed up at my door. I kid you not, the second I saw the box, I knew exactly what it was, and I started crying. Pixi Beauty. I'm trying not to scream. So the label of the jar reads, Pixi Skin Treats since 1999. Vitamin C daily dose of skin brightening. 5 power-packed skin treats for all skin types. And I opened it. Look at the label, the top. It says Pixi. Wait, Pixi? Yes, sorry. Too excited to focus right now. Breathe. So I opened it up and I threw everything out, started looking at everything. I've not opened any of the actual packages or any of the products, and then I wanted to put everything back in here, and I don't know how they did it, but they fit this in here as well. My brain can't figure it out, so well done Pixi Beauty. But I am going to open it and I am going to start telling you more about the products inside. I am so excited. On the label it says prepared for Melissa. God bless. It's so personalized. So the first package, the first product I'm opening is a vitamin C tonic. Vitamin C and brightening toner. Oh, it smells so good. So it says vitamin C has potent antioxidant powder, promotes healthy collagen production, and is known to boost skin luminosity. Ooh! I feel like this is something my skin needs, with my eczema and my skin always being dry and flaky. Due to your skin being dry and flaky, it also causes it to be dull, which means my skin always just looks like bleh if I don't apply moisturizer or primer or highlighter. That's why I always wear highlighter. Into the next product. Let's do vitamin C lotion. Lotion packaging looks like this. It really smells like oranges. Like, you know, like lemon zest, so when you like sprinkle it over food. I'm going to put a bit of it on the back of my hand and just rub it into my skin. The vitamin C juice cleanser, it looks like this. This is really cool. It has a pump at the top, so you can take your cotton round, put it on the top and just use it like a little pump. Cleansing water. Brightening cleansing water with a stable vitamin C for potent antioxidant effect. And it is light enough so that you can use it as a daily cleanser. Smells so good. I'm not kidding, this package is like the biggest blessing because I have not purchased any skincare products for myself within like more than a year and a half. I think Rodan & Fields was the last time I bought myself skincare, and I am out of Rodan & Fields. The product is a vitamin C. Ooh, it's a leave-on mask. So the box looks like this. Product looks like this. Same as the others. It's like a yellow greenish and then a greenish lid. Let's open it. So this is a leave-on mask. I think I will try this one out tonight. I like the consistency, it's like thick. Oh, en het ruikt so lekker. Julle, my hart, ek kan nie. Die Here is so goed vir my. Hashtag blessed. Product is probably the one I'm the most excited about. I absolutely die for a face serum. This one is a vitamin C serum brightening concentrate. Helps to prevent and reduce the effect of sun damage, and it also helps to improve skin tone and creating a smoother complexion, which is really good because I love freckles, but I have sunspots as well. So sunspots are a lot bigger than freckles. Reverse that, girl, I'm on that train. So the little bottle looks like this, and it has a little gold cap, and you also receive your dripper with, which I will put in as soon as I start using the products. Oh guys, I'm gonna smell like a fruit salad when I start using these things. I'm so excited. I say a very big thank you to Pixi Beauty, because they are giving international artists the opportunity to try out their products and try their brand, because besides a few resellers, there's no stores around South Africa that sell Pixi Beauty. If you would like to see how I created this look, keep on watching. So firstly, I'm gonna go in with my concealer from Makeup Revolution. Both of the brush to just carve out the brow slightly more. Oh, that's a lot. Pick up some of it. I bought it like very impulsively. It's from MAC. And I think this green in here is going to be like the exact shade that I need. The flat end of the brush, I'm just going to pack the paint onto my lid. Guys, this is a cream paint, so I'm going to have to set it with something, and I don't have a green eyeshadow to set it with. So I think I'm going to set it with baby powder. Don't judge me. Do not judge me. In the dark green, and I'm just gonna tap a bit of it on the outside of the eye. Okay, I actually like this green more, so I'm gonna do it over the whole lid. But just starting on the outside of the eye. Pat, 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 pat. Using some baby powder on a fluffy brush, I'm just gonna lightly set my Juvia, what's it called? It's the Zulu palette by Juvias Place. I think I'm gonna go dip into that yellow shade and then also that turquoise. So as the transition shade, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of turquoise on the outside of the eye. And just dot it on the outside of the eye, then just like lightly dab, 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 dab until it starts to blend. Actually not mad at this, like this looks nice. Move on to my Gosh Foundation Plus and my Real Techniques brush. Gonna apply a bit on the brush. This is a really full coverage foundation. Okay, just starting in between the brows, just pat, pat, pat. Going in with my concealer once again. I'm just gonna do a little V under the eyes. I never do my makeup like this, as in like this thick. I don't know why I'm doing it now. Lippy, can I watched a tutorial, and apparently this is how everyone does makeup, so I'm gonna do it now. I'm gonna pat the product into my skin. I'm just gonna try and keep the coverage where it is. So if you're gonna sweep, you're gonna sweep the product away, but I wanna keep the product where I applied it. So my MAC eyeshadow called Swiss Chocolate. and I am going to do a bit of a contour first. And yes, you can contour on wet foundation. So starting next to my ear, on my cheekbone, I'm just going to start adding color. Even though the shade looks really dark, it's not, it's very buildable. So while I do my under eye area with some green and yellow, almost said orange, I'm gonna set my under eye area, my nose, my chin, and I'm gonna try and kind of bake. It's new. So I'm just using a translucent powder. I'm gonna look crazy for like the next few minutes, so excuse me. Same brush, so it's got a bit of a mixture of colors on at the moment, so I'm gonna use the same brush, just run underneath my eye, and I feel like this is gonna give me a good combination of both of the colors that is on my eye at the moment. So I'm gonna follow with the brush I used to blend out both the yellow and the turquoise, not adding any new product. And now adding a little bit of product back. So this is the yellow I've been using, and this is the turquoise. Now I'm going to dip the brush back into turquoise, and I'm just going to tap that on the outer half of the eye. They are from Chinatown. These are the only big ones I have at the moment, so I'm not sure if they're going to work. The bands are pretty... Ek wil nie julle. Yeah, I'm not feeling it. This is not gonna happen. So I'm just gonna slightly line the top lip. Instead of making a dip, I'm gonna make it go like a little bow. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video with me. If you would like to see me try different colors, please leave the colors down below. Let me know what you thought about this look. You please remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more of the makeup looks or the special effects looks that I create. I hope you have an absolutely fabulous day. God bless you, and I'll see you on the next video.